Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the report page size in Power BI. Whether you need your reports to fit a widescreen presentation, customize dimensions for printing, or simply want them to look just right on your dashboard, by the end of this video you'll know how to adjust your page size with confidence, and even zoom in or out for the best possible view of your work. Now let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is make sure no objects like charts or visuals are selected on your canvas. Just click anywhere in an empty space on the report area. This lets Power BI know you want to adjust the settings for the whole page, not for a specific item. It's a small step but really important. If you accidentally click on a visual instead, the formatting pane will show options for that visual only, which can get a bit confusing. So take a second, make sure your canvas is selected and you're good to go. Next, look for the Format option. You'll find a paint roller icon on the right side of your screen. Click on that and you'll see a menu pop up with various formatting choices. Here, what you're after is Canvas Settings. Go ahead and click into Canvas Settings. This is where you can control the look and space of your entire report page, which comes in handy whether you're prepping a dashboard for web sharing or getting ready to print. Now within Canvas Settings, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Type. Here, where the magic happens. Power BI gives you a handful of preset size options like 16:9:43, Letter, Tooltip, and Custom. So if you're planning to show your report on a wide projector, 16:9 might be perfect since it matches most screens. If you need a traditional, paper-friendly size, Letter keeps things standard for printing. And if you want that extra bit of control, maybe you have a very specific pixel requirement or you're matching a company template, choose Custom. With this, you can set the width and height exactly how you want. Take a moment to decide which works best for your situation. There's no right or wrong answer here, just what suits your needs. After you select the page type or enter your custom size, your report will instantly reshape to fit those new dimensions. Don't worry if things look a bit squished or you need to rearrange your visuals. You can always move objects around later to make it fit perfectly. Remember, this is all about getting your content to look its best, whether that's for a big meeting or for sharing online. One more super useful tip. If you ever find your canvas is too big or too small, maybe you want to zoom in for a closer look at your data or zoom out to see the whole page, Power BI makes it easy. Just click anywhere on the canvas, then hold down the Control key on your keyboard while you scroll your mouse wheel up and down. Scrolling up zooms in and scrolling down zooms out. It's a quick way to adjust your view without changing the actual page size, kind of like using a magnifying glass when you want to see the tiny details, or stepping back to take in the full picture. Don't worry if you have to try it a couple of times to get used to the pace. With a bit of practice, it'll feel natural. And that's it. You've just learned how to master your Power BI report page size and how to zoom for the perfect view. With these tips, you'll have full control over how your reports look and feel, whether you're sharing with a team or presenting to an audience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps out. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I love hearing from you and I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI tips and tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.